Hey guys, TinaSole here, and today it's another video. I just went out of school, so yeah. We didn't have any recess, and yeah. So yeah, want me to put you in the video?
No, I want to go downstairs.
Don't. Don't! Okay, can you get my backpack then? Because I'm holding the camera. I'm holding a camera.
Oh my god, I feel dizzy.
Ooh. Okay, so you grab my backpack. And my backpack blends with the thing. So today, did you guys rescue the bird? Did you rescue it? Did you just find it? Where did you find it?
It was outside.
So my sister and my mom found a bird outside, and we bring it inside. Mom, I'm making a video. I want to show the bird, and the bird is inside this box. So yeah, here comes the birdie. Oh god, look at the bird. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little fat little pigeon. It doesn't look like a pigeon. Its head is so small for what it is. And it looks so overweight. It's a little cute little pigeon. And yeah. So yeah. Can you record me? Okay. So yeah, you're putting it too low. Yes. Okay. So yeah guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.